In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel and Google Sheets into Airtable. Airtable is a powerful platform that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database, and importing your existing data is a breeze once you know the steps. Whether you're keen on maintaining your data organization or just experimenting with Airtable for the first time, these are the steps to follow. Let's get started by opening Airtable. Navigate to your existing base or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Your base serves as the overarching structure where you can house multiple tables of data. Don't worry about getting it perfect right off the bat, since Airtable's flexibility allows adjustments later. Once you're in your base, you'll want to direct your attention to an option that says Add or Import. This is usually found near your tables and is your gateway for enriching your Airtable with data from various sources. When you select this, a menu will appear offering different options for bringing in external data. For this task, we'll focus on importing Excel files. Simply choose the Excel option from the list. Note, however, that you'll also encounter the choice to import data from Google Sheets under this same category. This dual functionality ensures that no matter where your data currently resides, you can smoothly transition it into Airtable. After selecting Excel, you'll be prompted to upload your file. This is a straightforward process, and Airtable offers a couple of methods for this. You can easily drag and drop the Excel file from your desktop into the designated upload area. Drag and drop actions are often the most user-friendly and visually intuitive method for importing files. Alternatively, if you prefer or the need arises, you can opt to browse your computer manually to find the file you're looking to upload. This is done by clicking on the Browse option, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select the correct Excel document. Keep an eye on the import progress, especially if you're working with a larger file, as it may take a few seconds longer to appear. Once the file has been successfully uploaded, your table will be populated with the data from your spreadsheet, formatted neatly according to how it was structured during the import. And there you have it, folks. Your data from Excel or Google Sheets is now part of your Airtable base, ready for you to explore, manage, and utilize to its fullest potential. The added benefits include the ease of collaboration with team members and the enhanced capacity for building more dynamic workflows and views. Play around with the data fields, experiment with different table arrangements, and consider inviting others to collaborate if you haven't yet. Remember, the beauty of Airtable lies in its adaptability, so feel free to tweak and refine until it meets your specific needs.